Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Our today's presentation is about the forests of the world. What is forest? Forest, plant community, predominantly of trees or other woody vegetation, occupying an extensive area of land. In its natural state, a forest remains in a relatively fixed, self-regulated condition over a long period of time. Climate, soil, and the topography of the region determine the characteristic trees of a forest. In local environments, dominant species of trees are characteristically associated with certain shrubs and herbs. The type of vegetation on the forest floor is influenced by the larger and taller plants, but because low vegetation affects the organic composition of the soil, the influence is reciprocal. Disturbances such as a forest fire or timber harvesting may result in a shift to another forest type. Left undisturbed, ecological succession will eventually result in a climax forest community. Human intervention is practiced to maintain some desirable forest types. Forests cover about 30% of the Earth's land surface. They are found in every continent except Antarctica. The largest forests are in the Amazon rainforest, the Congo rainforest, and the boreal forests of North America and Russia. Forests may be divided into the following 9 general types on the basis of leaf characteristics and climate. Here are many different types of forests in the world, each with its own unique characteristics. Some of the most common types of forests include 1. Temperate forests. Temperate forests are found in regions with moderate climates. They are characterized by a mix of deciduous and coniferous trees, and a variety of plant and animal life. Temperate evergreen forests are found in the subtropical regions of North America and the Caribbean islands that have a warm maritime climate. The type is best developed along the Gulf Coast and in the Florida Everglades. The characteristic trees are live oak, magnolia, palms, and bromeliads. Temperate rainforests, with broad-leaved evergreen trees, are common on Mediterranean coasts. Rainfall may be low, but the ocean-cooled air is moisture-laden, and fogs are frequent. In the United States, the temperate West Coast rainforests are dominated by hemlock, cedar, spruce, fir, and redwood. 2. Tropical rainforests. A tropical forest is a type of forest that is found in the tropics. Tropical forests are characterized by their warm, humid climate and their abundance of plant and animal life. Tropical forests are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including many species that are found nowhere else on Earth. Tropical forests play an important role in the Earth's ecosystem, as they help to regulate the climate and provide habitat for many different species. However, tropical forests are also under threat from deforestation, which is the clearing of forests for other uses, such as agriculture or development. Deforestation is a major problem, as it destroys the habitat of many species and contributes to climate change. Tropical wet forests, the famous rainforests, grow in a great equatorial belt, where conditions for life are as nearly uniform as is possible on land. Temperature, precipitation, and day length hardly vary from season to season. The combination of warm temperatures, high rainfall, and days of constant length makes for an environment in which plant growth and reproduction is essentially independent of the time of year, so that leaves, flowers, and fruits are always available to feed the animal population. These wet forests are frequently, if wrongly, called jungles, a name that properly applies to the tangled growth that invades after primary forest is cut. Here are some interesting facts about tropical forests. Tropical forests cover about 6% of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of the Earth's plant and animal species. Tropical forests produce about 20% of the Earth's oxygen. Tropical forests help to regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 3. Boreal forests. Boreal forests are found in cold, northern climates. They are characterized by coniferous trees, such as pines and spruces, and a relatively sparse understory. 4. Temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are found in regions with moderate climates and low rainfall. They are characterized by grasses, herbs, and shrubs, and are often used for grazing livestock. 5. Deserts. Deserts are found in hot, dry climates. They are characterized by sparse vegetation, and extreme temperatures. 6. Tundra. Tundra is found in cold, polar climates. It is characterized by low-growing plants, such as mosses and lichens, and a lack of trees. 7. Savannas. Savannas are found in warm, tropical climates. They are characterized by a mix of grasses, trees, and shrubs, and are often home to large herds of grazing animals. The savannas and woodlands of Africa are renowned for the large and diverse herds of hoofed mammals they support. The comparatively moist Guinea savannas and woodlands, with their tall grasses and many trees, surround the rainforests on the north, east, and south. With increasing aridity, these savannas give way to the Sudan savannas and woodlands of the Sahel, the Horn of Africa, and the Kalahari, parts of which qualify as semi-deserts. In Asia, deciduous monsoon forests cover much of India and Indochina. Northern Australia contains similar woodlands and savannas. 8. Mangrove forests. Mangrove forests are found in coastal areas with muddy or sandy soils. They are characterized by mangrove trees, which have adapted to live in salty water. 9. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are found in tropical and subtropical waters. They are formed by the skeletons of coral polyps, and are home to a vast array of marine life. These are just a few of the many different types of forests that exist in the world. Each type of forest plays an important role in the Earth's ecosystem, and it is important to protect them. Forests are home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals. There are over 100,000 species of trees in the world, and over 80% of the world's plant and animal species live in forests. Here are some of the benefits of forests. Forests play a vital role in the Earth's climate system. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Forests also help to regulate the Earth's temperature by providing shade and by releasing water vapor into the atmosphere. Forests are also important for water conservation. They help to prevent soil erosion and flooding by absorbing rainfall and storing water in their roots. Forests also help to filter water and provide clean drinking water for people and animals. Forests are a source of food, medicine, and building materials for people around the world. They also provide jobs for millions of people. Here are some of the benefits of forests. Forests provide us with oxygen, cleaner air and water, and help to regulate the climate. Forests are home to a vast array of plants and animals. Forests play a vital role in the Earth's climate system. Forests are important for water conservation. Forests are a source of food, medicine, and building materials for people around the world. Forests provide jobs for millions of people. Here are some of the threats to forests. Forests are under threat from deforestation, which is the clearing of forests for other uses such as agriculture, mining, and development. Deforestation is a major cause of climate change and biodiversity loss. Deforestation. Deforestation is the clearing of forests for other uses such as agriculture, mining, and development. Deforestation is a major cause of climate change and biodiversity loss. Climate change. Climate change is causing forests to become drier and more prone to wildfires. Pollution. Pollution from air, water, and soil can damage forests and the plants and animals that live in them. Invasive species. Invasive species are plants and animals that are not native to an area and can harm native plants and animals. Overexploitation. Overexploitation is the use of forest resources at a rate that is not sustainable. It is important to protect forests for the sake of the environment and for the people who depend on them. We can do this by planting trees, reducing our consumption of wood products, and supporting sustainable forest management practices. We can all do our part to protect forests. Here are some things you can do. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce your consumption of wood products. Wood products come from forests, so reducing your consumption of wood products helps to protect forests. Support sustainable forest management practices. Sustainable forest management practices help to protect forests and the plants and animals that live in them. Get involved in forest conservation. There are many organizations that work to protect forests. You can get involved by volunteering, donating, or spreading the word about forest conservation. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and for more like this video please subscribe this channel.